Curb Father here. One of the really important things to do when you're doing your marketing is to prepare flyers. We got some great flyers like this. You can write on those flyers the address. I'm at a place called 13194 Blossom Valley Drive. So where it says on the bottom, check out a sample of my work at, hand write in that address, and here's what you do with those flyers then, okay? And by the way, this is how you store your flyers in between jobs. You put them in a nice box like this. You've also got your quote book in there. You've also got your other equipment in there, like your sample box, etc. And you can put a little tablet in there as well. But it's a beautiful unit, and we have them at lilbubba.com. But let's go and show you what we do with these flyers. So go 5 houses down the street. So go 5 houses down the street, cross over to the other side of the street, do 10 more houses down that way, cross over, and then 5 houses back. It'll take you all of around about 12 minutes at most. And what you're doing is you're drawing attention to the address, where you're working for the day, and the people that find these flyers in here will know where to come and check out what your beautiful product looks like. It's a simple form of marketing, but the key to it is you've really got to write the address, the actual address where you're working. You've got to write that on the front of the flyer where it says, check out a sample of my work at 13194 Blossom Valley.